Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I have a new gaming keyboard to show you guys. It's the Asus Cerberus RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. This thing has 100% anti-ghosting N-key rollover and 7 preset RGB lighting effects on it. I'm very excited to check it out. You can see a picture of a Cerberus. It's a 3-headed hound from the Greek mythology. This is how the keyboard looks like. You've got the Cerberus logo at the top. There's nothing much written over here. Let's see what's at the top. It's got fully mechanical key switches with lightning fast response and outstanding durability, has 7 built-in RGB LED backlit effects, 100% anti-ghosting with N-key rollover, and also has dedicated hotkeys for gaming shortcuts. So these were some of its features. Let's see what's at the back. Okay, you've got the complete layout of the keyboard here. A best feature of this keyboard is it supports on-the-fly macro recording. Just how cool is that? You can also set separate profiles for each games. That is very nice. It also has multimedia control keys and a Windows key lock function. It can be really useful while gaming. The Cerberus keyboard uses Kaihua RGB mechanical switches, has a USB 2.0 interface, per key RGB LEDs, N-key rollover, 1000Hz polling rate, also supports on-the-fly macro recording, and weighs about 1250 grams. So these were the details of this keyboard. Now let's start with the unboxing. I want to thank Asus for sending me this product for review purpose. Okay, let's cut these tapes and open the box. So here is the Asus Cerberus RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. Wow guys, it looks beautiful. Let me just take it out of this packing. It definitely feels heavy. It weighs about 1.2 kgs. Okay, we'll just keep it aside for now and see what else do we have in the box. You've got some paperwork here. It's a quick start guide and a warranty notice. Make sure to read the guide before using the product. There's also a packet over here. Oh, you've got some keycaps in it. Let me just show them to you. So these are the extra keycaps you get in the box. They're orange in color. And you also get a keycap puller to easily remove and replace the caps. So these were all the items we got in the box. Let's just keep them aside and check out the keyboard. This is how the Cerberus mechanical gaming keyboard looks like. It has a matte black design. You've got the Cerberus branding here and the Cerberus logo at the center. And I really like the look of it. The complete body is made of high quality plastic and the quality of the keycaps also looks nice. It's got Kaihua mechanical switches that feel very tactile and clicky. You've got some dotted design on the top right corner that gives it a nice look. This is how the keyboard looks like from the back. You've got the keyboard details here. The model is Cerberus mechanical RGB. It has rubber foot pads at the bottom. It also has these clips to raise the keyboard to a comfortable angle. That's nice. Now let's check out the cable quality. It's a wired gaming keyboard and has a braided cable with a standard length of 1.8 meters and uses a USB 2.0 interface. Okay guys, now let's connect the keyboard to my PC and check it out. So I've connected the keyboard to my PC and this is how it looks like. You also have nice blue LED indicators for the cap, scroll and number locks. Right now it's in the default lighting effect. It's in the static mode. Using these function buttons you can control the RGB lighting effects on this keyboard. You can also set custom backlit effects for specific games in these F1 to 5 keys using this function button. Let me just show you all the lighting effects on it. Right now we are in the F1 key profile. By pressing the function plus right arrow key, you can change the backlit effects. This is the breathing mode where a single color breathes in and breathes out. This is the reactive mode which lights up a key only when you press it. Awesome, right? This mode is called explosion. It creates a nice explosion effect whenever you press a key. This is called color cycle. It cycles between all the available RGB colors. And finally, we have the color wave. So these were all the different backlit effects. You can switch between different static colors by pressing the corresponding keys from F1 to F5. There's also this custom lighting mode on it which highlights the WASD keys. You can also increase or decrease the brightness of these backlit keys. It is very easy to do that. Just by pressing the function plus up or down arrow keys, the brightness can be adjusted. So that was about the RGB lighting effects on the Cerberus keyboard. As I've said earlier, this keyboard supports on-the-fly macro recording. You can do that with this right alt key. You just need to press the FN plus right alt to start the recording. You can see the blue light starts blinking here. Now type the key sequence you want to record and press FN plus alt to stop the recording. Now to save this key sequence, click on any key of your choice. And that's it guys, you're ready to use that macro function anytime. Also by pressing the Fn plus F6 keys, you can temporarily disable the Windows key to prevent any accidental key presses while gaming. Now let me show you how to replace the keycaps on this keyboard. It is very easy to do that. You get a keycap puller in the box. You just need to push it on top of key and pull it gently like this. There you go. That is how you remove these keycaps. And this is how the inside looks like. This keyboard uses Skyhua brown switches which provide tactile feedback and lightning fast response. They have an ultra durable lifespan of up to 70 million keystrokes. Let me just put these orange keycaps and show you how it looks like. So you can also customize your keyboard like this to suit your gaming needs. I've been using this keyboard for a month. Let me tell you, I was quite satisfied with its performance. The build quality is very nice, it has super durable mechanical switches with super fast response. The preset RGB lighting effects are also nice, but I wish it had more lighting effects. This is one of the finest mechanical gaming keyboards I've used till now. It is priced for about 5,700 rupees. It's a bit expensive, but you'll be satisfied with the quality. It's not yet available online, but you can get it from your nearest offline computer stores. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.